Catalyst project addresses a critical challenge in the communication technology industry: the need for efficient field service interaction and revenue generation through upselling. In our industry, traditional field service operations often face issues in maximizing revenue opportunities and enhancing customer satisfaction. Technicians, while skilled in their craft, may not always capitalize on upselling additional services or products to existing customers during on-site visits. This represents a significant revenue potential that remains largely untapped. Our project introduces a new chat-based activation journey that is an AI-driven customer onboarding process leveraging NLP instant messaging technology to transform technicians into effective salespeople. By equipping technicians with a user-friendly interface, we empower them to identify and offer relevant upsell opportunities tailored to each customer's needs. This not only increases revenue per customer, but also strengthens customer relationship and overall satisfaction. Of course, implementing such a solution comes with its own set of challenges. One key challenge is integrating seamlessly with legacy BSS and OSS systems like CRM, billing, and order management. We've invested in developing custom adapters and leveraging industry standards to ensure compatibility and efficiency across diverse systems. During our presentation, we'll showcase the transformative impact of our project through real-world scenarios. Imagine a technician completing a routine service call at customer's premise. Using our WhatsApp-based interface, the technician identifies an opportunity to upgrade customer service package or introduce a new value-added product. By engaging the customer in a personalized, non-intrusive manner, the technician successfully closes an upsell, boosting revenue and leaving the customer delighted. In summary, our project isn't just about technology. It's about unlocking the full potential of field service interaction by turning technicians into knowledgeable sales ambassadors and streamlining the upsell process. We're not only addressing the key industry challenge, but also paving the way for enhanced revenue generation and customer satisfaction. Hope to see you in Copenhagen this June for DTW 2024.